How to redeem Fortnite gift card on Xbox. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to fortnite.com. Once you're over here, you want to sign into your account. After you have signed in, you want to click on the profile icon. Then over here, you want to select the option of V-Bucks card. Once you click on this option, here it says an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. So if you have an Epic Games account, click on the option of Get Started. Now you will have to enter your code over here. The code you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch off security covering. Go ahead and enter that code. Once you have entered that code, click on the next option. Now, in the next step, you want to select Xbox, then click on the next option. Now review the details and click confirm if the Epic account, device, and new balance are all correct. Now open Fortnite on your Xbox system to view and spend your V-Bucks. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.